Hello guys, today I want to show something cool. It's electric bike from F Wheels, DYU model, and it's very little and it's very powerful. I think it's max speed about 30 kilometers per hour, and of course you can control by app. It's very easy to do that. I can show you. Speed, you just make speed limit, so I make max about 30 kilometers per hour. What I like about this bike, little, powerful, and when you're in town, very easy to lock this bike. You just by the frame. It's smart actually. Very little charger. You can take with you. I think you can drive with full battery about 20 kilometers. And like I told before, it's max speed 30 kilometers per hour. So it's really powerful. Look for yourself. And very quiet. You have disc brakes. Look. So it's really well made. It's very stable frame. And what I don't like about this bike, under I remade seat, I make it little higher, about 15 centimeters, and now it's much easier to sit. And I think you must test this bike in action.